Hello everyone. I Dr. Varun Kumar, Faculty of MBA from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on International Joint Venture under the subject of MTIC, Management, Technology, Innovation and Change. An international joint venture occurs when two businesses based in two or more countries form a partnership. A company that wants to explore international trade without taking on the full responsibilities of cross-border businesses transaction has the option of forming a joint venture with the foreign partner. International joint ventures aid companies to form strategic alliances which allow them to gain competitive advantage through access to a partner's resources including markets, technologies, capital and people. International joint ventures are viewed as a practical vehicle for knowledge transfer such as technology transfer from multinational expertise to local companies, and such knowledge transfer can contribute to the performance improvement of local companies. Now we will discuss basic elements of international joint venture. The first one is contractual agreement. International joint ventures are established by express contract that consist of one or more agreements involving two or more individuals or organizations and that are entered into a specific business purposes. The second one is specific limited purpose and duration. International joint ventures are formed for a specific business objectives and can have a limited lifespan or be long term. The third one is joint property interest. Each international joint venture participant contribute properties, cash and other assets and organizational capital for the pursuit of a common and specific business purposes. The next one is common financial and intangible goals and objectives. The international joint ventures participants share a common expectation regarding the nature and amount of expected financial and intangible goals and objectives of the international joint ventures. The next one is shared profit, losses, management and control. The international joint venture participants share in the specific and identifiable financial and intangible profits and losses as well as in certain elements of the management and control of the international joint venture. Now we will discuss what are the major reasons for forming a joint venture. Now there are many motivations that lead to formation of a joint ventures. They include risk sharing, economies of scale, market access, geographical constraint, last but not the least, funding constraint. I hope you understand the topic of international joint ventures. Thank you very much.